Hello, good morning everyone. It's me again. Yan guys, may order tayo, dalawang extra large pizza. Yan, special pizza yan siya guys. UFO special pizza with shrimp, black olives, onion and green pepper, mushroom, pepperoni and ham. The topping is all, the meat toppings is under the cheese, shrimp and onion and black olives and green and onion. So, nasa taas siya kasi hindi siya nasusunog. Pero pag yung toppings na manipis, masusunog siya. Ito naman guys, pepperoni bacon. Ayan, nagmimelt pa yung cheese. Oh. Pepperoni under the cheese. Hindi siya pwede sa taas kasi masusunog, manipis. Bacon okay lang. Yan, napakasarap yan guys. Guys, pag gusto nyo masarap na pizza, visit lang kayo sa location namin kung sa Simple kayo. Yan. Kung sa Edmonton kayo, yan yung address. Pwede walk-in, pwede magpa-deliver. 2 for 1 pizza yan. Napakasarap. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye-bye.